Hey y'all, so I'm here today to share with you some of our brand new products that we have to organize your home, all areas of your home, whether it be in your kitchen, your pantry, your bathroom, your laundry room. There are so many ways that you can use these products. So I have them today in my kitchen, in our fridge, and in my laundry room to show you how I am using them. Now, my cabinets were a disaster before I started today, and it just makes you feel so good to have things organized, right? So here is one of the cabinets I'm going to show you. This has kind of been our catch-all cabinet, whether it be catch-all for snack foods, chips, medicine, you name it. It was an absolute nightmare today. I did throw quite a bit away, but I'm organizing in here with several of the mDesign products. So first up is, this is the pantry rack here. So you can see that I'm actually using this for medicine, but this is also great to use for your spices. It's also great you could use in your bathroom for beauty supplies, all those extra lotions, shampoos, and things like that. So I'm gonna turn it to the side so you can see. It's actually a two-tiered caddy. So you can see you've got this lower tier here, and then it kind of does a little step up, and you can see you've got a section back here. So I have, all of our medicines and things like that. So this is called the pantry rack. I think that this would also be great for like nail polishes and things like that. We'll just move up here. This is one of the wide open, or this is actually the open clear box here, the open clear box. So it has a little dip down right here, and we're using this to store all of our chips. And so our cabinets are kind of up a little bit high, so our kids can be able to reach this and pull it down and grab out what they need. But it really kind of condensed things and gave us more area over here. This here, my son actually moved it. This is the large rotating clear caddy. So this cabinet over here was actually just full of it was just a mess over here. And so I condensed it down, and now my kids can just spin this and grab out whatever they need. And we are a Jif peanut butter family. We can only buy Jif. So that is this cabinet. We'll move over here to just an area on our countertop here. So this is what I think most people have been excited about, is these little caddies right here. So this is the bamboo wide and long caddy. They're separately, you can buy them separate, but they do stack on top of one another. So these are really, really handy in your kitchen, in your bathroom, however you want to use them. You can see that I have some fresh eggs down here on the bottom, and then just kind of like some little knickknacks up here. Got a can opener, salt and pepper. Somebody I saw actually used this as a little charging station. So they had their cords coming out the back and plugged in, and then they had their devices and things in here. This is also just kind of like a great catch-all. And then I did see someone else had potatoes and onions on here. So many ways to use this. So this is called the wide and the long bamboo caddy. We'll move over here. This are the clear stackable hinged boxes. So you can see that it does have that hinge, and the lid will kind of stop right here. This will hold 6 K-cups. But this is also great for, all those little extra things. You could even put these in your fridge. They can hold your little Taco Bell hot sauce package, Chick-fil-A sauce, so many things. I did see somebody use this for batteries, but this is great for your coffee bar. Also, this is that the bamboo rotating caddy. So you can see that I kind of have this next to our coffee pot for a little coffee station. So I am really, really loving this one. I did see where somebody had this in their bathroom, and it was just so cute. They had a little plant on here, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. So this is called the bamboo rotating caddy. So this in our fridge is called the small rotating clear caddy. So this one you can see is a little bit, it's got a wider edge to it. And so I just have this in our fridge for all of those bigger items that won't fit in the side. But this is great to be able to spin and grab out what you need instead of trying to reach all the way in the back and getting what you need. I like that I can have 4 things right here, really just depending on the size, but I am really loving having this in our fridge, and you could actually use multiple ones in your fridge if you need some extra space or things like that. Okay, so here is one of the wire storage baskets here. I'm actually using mine on our porch. So the wire baskets will come with a bamboo clip that you can personalize for free. So I personalized this one with thank you. And so I'm gonna just clip that on there, have this on our porch filled with snacks and drinks for our FedEx man, and I even have our little sign. So I've had this actually for a couple of years on our porch, but I'm giving it a little elevated look now with our mDesign product. Also, you can grab these custom labels for organizing. It comes with like 118 of those. So it's like pre-printed labels that you can put on some of your items too. Also, when you are organizing your cabinets and things, these Your Way storage bins are really great. You'll see that I have one in our laundry room, but these are really handy when organizing. Okay, so we are in our laundry room next. My husband put all these cabinets in here for us because in our home, we don't really have like a great pantry. So I needed an area to put all of our extra, you know, food items, ketchups and things like that. So these cabinets work great for that. I did previously have our Your Way storage bins in here. That fell off. But I'm 5'4", and so when these were in here and I couldn't see everything that was in these storage bins. So I love these, but I'm really actually liking these clear bins because I can see what's inside of them. So I have several of them in here in our cabinet. So this one here is, this is the small clear storage bin. You can see that I have some little Debbies in here. And then you can also buy the bamboo clips by themselves. You can hook them here, you can hook them here. So I'm really loving those. Here is another one of the small ones, and I just have some items that we have canned, so apple butter, things like that. And then over here, this one is the clear storage bin. So this one is, the clear storage bin is actually going to come, it will come with a bamboo clip, but it will also come with the bamboo lid that fits on top of here, and it makes this to where it could be stackable. But the items that I have in here actually don't need the lid, but I just wanted to call your attention to that because it does come with a lid and the clip. But in this particular one, I actually have just some extras that we have. So extra ketchups, creamers, and things like that. And then up on the top here, we have, this is another one of those clear storage bins, but that comes with the bamboo lid, but you can see that I've just got a lot of things in here. This one is the wide open clear box here. So you can see that it's kind of dipped down here. This would be really great in your refrigerator. But you know, all of these would actually be really good in your fridge to keep things organized. But this one can hold all of those extras in here as well. And then we'll move over here to my next cabinet. This one is kind of like my little laundry room. This is a little rotating caddy as well. So we actually have 4 rotating caddies. This is the small, shallow one. So you can see that it's very shallow, but this is great to keep all of your little, you know, laundry soaps and laundry, you know, stain removers and things like that. So that's the shallow one. And then we'll move over here to this cabinet. And you can see that I have the wire baskets in here as well. So this one is the square. This is the square wire basket here. So I have all of my Norwex items in here. And like I said before, this does come with a bamboo clip that you can personalize for free. Now, I'm giving away some of my little tricks here, but Norwex is actually a licensed name. So instead of the O, I actually put a 0. So I was able to use that. And then over here is, this one is the long wire basket here. So I had all of these little zipper bags and press and seal up here, but I just couldn't get everything down. So I like that I can have a basket and I can pull it down. So you can see here that this one's long, so it can hold, this is a parchment paper here. So 2 things of parchment paper, press and seal, but I have all of those extra Ziploc bags in here. So I absolutely love having that in here. And then here is one of those Your Way storage bins here. So I have all of those little extra, you know, what are these things called? Little extras. Tupperwares. Lose my train of thought. Little Tupperwares. That way, if someone comes over to eat with us and they want to take home leftovers, I don't have to worry about getting my dish back. So I thought this was perfect for that. So that's just some of the ways that we are using these mDesign products in our home, in our laundry room, in our kitchen. But there are really multiple ways that you can use these products. And I look forward to getting some more, because I was just going to kind of stage this and grab all this stuff back out and use it for my parties, but I'm not going to be taking this stuff down now, so I've got to get some more. So I hope it was helpful to see some of these products and how I am using them in my home. I'd love to hear ideas of how you are using them in your home. So thank you again so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. And if you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'll link all of the details below where you can click to message me on Facebook or to join my VIP group if you do not have a 31 consultant of your own. It's also great to host a party of your own to get all of these items to organize your home for free. Get your friends and your family to shop on your shopping link, and then you earn the rewards. That's the best way to go. I'll also have a few shopping clubs where you can spread out your spending over a few months, and you can earn Hostess rewards that way and get your hands on some more products as well. Now, these mDesign products are here through the end of April while supplies last. So again, thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.